at least this nail doesn't hurt in a shoe.
Mm-hmm.
But this looks like it's been a couple years probably since it's been trimmed. You think?
Oh, I've done minor trimming on it like you're doing now.
Okay.
Well, not exactly like you're doing now, but...
Yeah, so I'm pretty much going to take off whatever's not attached, if that's all right with you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So it's kind of brittle and it's breaking.
Right. And the concern when it gets the as long as it was, is that we don't want it catching when you're putting a sock on or when you're in bed, that nothing's going to catch it and rip it off. So we'll thin it out and I'll take off whatever's not attached to the skin right under it. Yeah, but they tend to kind of peel off in chunks when they get this thick.
Okay.
So you said you just started working again? Are you working
Yes.
from home or are you working?
In an office.
Okay, what kind of work do you do?
I proctor candidates that are going for professional licensure or certification.
Okay. So in one of the computerized testing centers?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I've been to those.
I'll bet. And I see some fascinating things on their screens. I wish I had access to look at the screen to determine what they're doing or why I'm seeing what I'm seeing.
Oh, you mean the actual stuff that they're being tested on?
Yeah.
I thought you meant at first, I thought you were gonna say, you've seen phenomenal ways that people cheat.
Oh, I haven't seen that yet. Well, as far as I know.
Yeah, as far as you know. Yeah, I remember when I had to go in for my board certification, or recertification, I was next to one person who was getting a salon license and another one getting an engineering license.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody's sitting next to everybody else.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much, you're pretty sedentary in that job then, yeah?
Well, I spend most of my time standing.
Okay,
Only because I can.
okay. Well, yeah, let's get you a shoe that has some good support under it so that when you're doing those kinds of, when you're standing and walking, because standing is even harder on your feet than walking is.
Yeah.
So,
That and some stretching exercise, the right stretching exercises.
yep, yep. So even though you say this didn't bother you in your shoes, I think you're going to notice a big difference
All right.
after we thin it all out. So.
What is that?
This is a kind of a high-speed drill.
Okay.
I'm going to use to thin it out. go. That's gonna be a lot, you know, a pound or two lighter. And
All right,
thank you for
yes.
letting me video that one.
Yes.